Alam mo naman nakakita ko, di ba? Simula ng bata pa. Pero ngayon parang mas totoo na siya lahat.
Sorry kasalanan ko. I wanted to help you kaya pinag-spirit cleansing kita.
Some words from an official.
Hello po, good evening. Welcome everyone. Lahat po rin dito, mga supporters namin dito, family, and also the media and influencers who are here. Welcome. Sana po may enjoy niyo yung Sembre.
Hi, good evening everyone. Dito ulit tayo sa Viva Cafe and hopefully ma-enjoy nyo. Tama ba, Direk? One episode tayo? Wow, makaka-advance card kayo ng isang episode. Yung mga dito. Pero syempre, mag-subscribe pa rin kayo. Abangan nyo, syempre, episode 2, 3. Episode 1 lang po muna ang ilalabas namin. Tama ba? So yun, sana ma-enjoy po natin. Enjoy guys. Yes.
Yes.
I-welcome na natin ang nagagalingang direktor, aktres, at aktor ng Sembre. But as we meet them one by one, don't forget to use our official hashtags when posting. Hashtag Sembre, hashtag SB Special Advanced Screening, hashtag May Kasama Ka, hashtag Viva1, hashtag Bida Ka Dito, and hashtag Studio Viva. So first in our official lineup is a creative and well-rounded director known for his hit horror movies, Mary Cherry Chua and Marita. And this year, tatakutin niya tayo muli sa upcoming original series ng Viva1, Sembre. Please welcome Direk Ronnie S. Binai.
Thank you po sa mga nagpunta ngayon. Alam namin busy kayo pero naghanap kayo ng time para supportahan ng thank you rin sa mga fans na since day one nagpapatrend sa mga nagpupunta sa shoot namin. Thank you sa support na rin sa mga kasama natin viewers. Thank you po.
Thank you, Direk. Next, from playing as our cutie pie Lady Abby in Six Skies Archer, makikilala naman natin siya bilang Hasmin in Sembre. Let us all welcome our adorable Mumu, Baby Danny Z.
Thank you po sa mga napunta dito. Yes,
si Rose Van Ginkel bilang Lilia. Give her a round of applause. Hi, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much for being here. Sana po ma-enjoy nyo. And supportan nyo ang Celebrate this May 10. Sa mga hindi pa naka-subscribe, mag-download na po kayo at mag-subscribe. This May 10, Celebrate. Thank you! Thank you for that, Miss Rose. Kasama rin natin ang maloko pero very caring part ng Celebrate Barkada. Palaging mga kabangayan ni Cora, maaasahan naman palagi bilang kaibigan. We have here Kiam Johnson as Timmy.
Hello, what's up everyone? Yes, wow, ganda ng photo. Ayun, thank you all for coming out tonight. We hope you enjoyed the first episode of Celebrate. Ayun, maraming salamat sa inyong support for the cast.
Thank you, Kian. Next, from playing the role of Elise in the University series, we'll meet her again as the mom of Celebrate Barkada. Please welcome Hyacinth Gallardo as the sweet and hardworking Jessie.
Hi, it's like I wasn't just here. I don't know, I'm very excited to watch the first episode. Everyone worked so hard. Guys, I really hope you guys enjoy and download Viva One, subscribe, and watch, and look forward to the rest of the series.
Our favorite tita Nina is
and kahit po na mapanood nyo na yung episode 1, sana tomorrow po, midnight, panoorin nyo po ang episode 1 pa rin and magtuloy-tuloy po hanggang episode 6. Maraming salamat and sana matakot kayo at tinigyan sa Celebrate. Thank you.
Thank you, Aubrey. From playing the roles of Yana and Hero in Six Skies Archer, ipapakita naman nila ngayon kung paano matakot at mangilabot in Celebrate. From Kilig to Tibi, let us welcome Viva One's hottest love team, Prisha Viaje as Mitch and Jerome Ponce as Argo.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo yung Celebrate and i-spread niyo po yung word kung gaano kakilig at katakot yung namin, palabas namin. Thank you.
Yes, enjoy natin yung first episode.
Ngayon naman, it's time masama tayong matakot sa panonood ng Celebrate official trailer.
Kamusta? Mataan ko siya naman lakas ko. Sana nag-enjoy ka dun sa episode 1. Kami excited na sa episode 2. Anong favorite scene niyo dun? Pero, actually ako first time ko napanood to, sabi ko, nagulat ako dun sa lighthouse na, nagulat ako. Biglang gumanin yung bata. Yung naka-Horay. Pinamapin yung bata na Horay. Anyway, abangan natin yung episode 2 and yun nga pala, gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyo lahat dahil dito kayo para supportahan kami sa advance meeting namin. And ito yung iba na mga friends natin from media. Ito, Aubrey. Ito, alam mo, nagulat ako si Aubrey, ready na para sa book niya. No? Pwede na mga pangkilig-kilig pala si Aubrey.
Gusto ko magpasalamat po sa inyo lahat. Damang-damang po namin ang emosyon nyo. kahit sabi ni Derek, nakita naman nila yun sa trailer, oh. Pero yun, we're really thankful na grabe, mainit po yung pagtanggap nyo sa first episode pa lang ng Sunday. And ayun, hindi pala ako nakapagpasalamat sa loob nito. And of course, sa mga media people, media friends natin. And to everyone, thank you.
Ayun. Same then, I want to thank the media and the fans. I invite you all to watch it tomorrow again, if ever. And of course, then, spread the word. Maraming salamat. Sana natakot kayo kasi syempre, kung narinig niyo ako sa likod, napapamura na ako sa sobrang takot at sobrang partida kasali ako Pero ayun, masagot yung tanong ni Jerome kanina, yung pinaka-favorite scene ko. Ibang klase talaga pakilig yung Chris Rome. Alam mo yun? Grabe! Yung magsislow dance lang sila dalawa, parang, hindi ba ako? Ayun. Oo, nung mag-slow dance sila, alam ko sila just like, Pero ayun, so maraming salamat. And again, don't forget to watch every Friday, and again, spread the word.
How is everyone? Are you guys scared? Mas nalitakot si Danny sa screaming nyo kasi sa scene. Pero are you guys excited to see more? Yes! You don't sound so excited. Okay, there you go. At 12 midnight tonight, first episode comes out, so you guys can rewatch it sa Viva One. Please subscribe if you guys have not. Thank you again to everyone who has come here. It made me very happy to see everything together and all of Danny's commentary throughout the whole episode. Pero thank you, and I'm excited to see more, and I'm excited to hear everyone's feedback.
Guys, lahat tayo tingin sa stage.
Thank you po sa lahat ng mga supporters na dumating dito sa Team Abroad and Now. Thank you sa Chris Shines, thank you Jerome Benitez, thank you Chris Rome Meadowers, tsaka Chris Rome Archers, and tsaka Kia Babies. Barter Girlies, ang dami na natin. Thank you so much. Sana ma-memorize ko. Ayun, tapos thank you